For more than 40 years, HIV, the virus that causes AIDS, has challenged scientists because it mutates quickly, escapes treatments, and adapts fast. But today, science may be one step closer to a game changer. Researchers in Germany recently discovered a powerful antibody that neutralizes nearly all known HIV variants. Could this be the key to finally stopping HIV in its tracks? Let's dive in. What makes HIV so difficult to defeat? The virus is incredibly variable. It mutates rapidly. That means many treatments or antibodies that work on one strain often fail against others. For decades, scientists have searched for an antibody that can broadly neutralize many different HIV variants at once. Such an antibody would need to bind to parts of the virus that don't easily mutate, a tall order. Now, a team led by University Hospital Cologne, in collaboration with German Center for Infection Research, DZIF, tested over 800 different antibodies derived from blood samples of 32 people living with HIV, individuals whose immune system naturally produce strong, broadly effective responses. Among them, one antibody stood out: 04_A06. This antibody was able to neutralize about 98 to 98.5% of more than 300 tested HIV-1 variants in lab assays. An unprecedented breadth. Why is 04_A06 so effective? The antibody attaches to a crucial site on the virus, the binding site. The virus uses to latch onto human immune cells, the CD4 binding site. By blocking that site, 04_A06 prevents the virus from entering cells at all. That means HIV can no longer hijack the cell and replicate. Also, structural studies show 04_A06 carries an unusually long amino acid chain, like an extra arm, allowing it to reach deeply hidden, highly conserved parts of the virus that most antibodies can't access. Because these viral parts are conserved, they don't mutate easily. That gives 04_A06 its wide coverage across variants. In lab tests, 04_A06 neutralized nearly all of the more than 300 HIV variants researchers tried. In humanized mice, animals engineered to have human-like immune systems, injection of 04_A06 drove the viral load to undetectable levels. And more importantly, unlike many earlier antibodies, the effect lasted and the virus did not rebound quickly. This makes 04_A06 one of the few antibodies with both broad neutralizing ability and lasting suppression, a combination that could make it a strong candidate for future treatment or prevention strategies. So what could 04_A06 be used for? The researchers envisioned two main possibilities: therapeutic use, for people already living with HIV. Giving them injections of 04_A06 could help suppress the virus, possibly reduce or eliminate the need for daily antiviral drugs. Preventive, passive immunization. For people at risk, regular injections, for example, every 6 months. With 04_A06 could block infection before the virus ever establishes itself. Currently, HIV prevention often relies on drugs that must be taken daily, or on long-acting tablets, injections. An antibody-based prevention could be simpler, longer-lasting, and maybe more accessible. But, and this is important, 04_A06 is still at laboratory/animal test stage. It has not yet been tested as a drug in humans. Researchers say further studies are needed to ensure it's safe, effective, and long-lasting in people. As hopeful as this discovery is, we must remain cautious. Lab success does not always guarantee real-world success. The human body is complex. Antibodies may behave differently than in mouse models. Researchers will need to carry out clinical trials to test safety, dosage, duration, and side effects. Moreover, even though 04_A06 neutralizes most known HIV variants, the virus is notoriously mutable. New variants might emerge. As one commentator noted, the jump from laboratory neutralization to global prevention treatment tool is huge. Still, experts call 04_A06 one of the most promising broadly neutralizing antibodies ever discovered. The discovery of 04_A06 is a major scientific milestone. A single antibody, capable of neutralizing almost all HIV variants tested so far. It carries hope for a future where HIV prevention and treatment could become simpler, more effective, and more accessible. But for now, it's an early-stage breakthrough. The journey from lab bench to lives saved is long and depends on rigorous clinical research. If you found this video illuminating, hit the like button, subscribe, and share, because science moves forward fastest when we share knowledge. And if you have questions about HIV, antibodies, or future therapies, write them in the comments. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay hopeful.